bitter gourd fry, Kakarakaya Vepudu, Karela fry. Welcome to my channel Madhura's Buddhi. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Let's make a healthy recipe with bitter gourd. Take bitter gourds, wash it, cut into small slices, thin slices as thin as possible. Put in a salt water, leave it for half an hour and then rub and wash thoroughly. Sun dry or dry in the shade for about 1 to 2 hours until the moisture reduces. Now in a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, heat it and add the seasoning ingredients, that is half tablespoon mustard seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon chana dal, half tablespoon urad dal, 2 red chilies, 3 to 4 chopped green chilies and a few curry leaves. Now fry it for a minute and add the dried bitter gourd pieces and fry well till it turns to light brown color. Bitter gourd, vegetable full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It is low in calorie and high in proteins and fiber, good for weight loss management. Rich in vitamin A and C, strengthens the vision, lightens the dark circles, prevents cancer. It boosts immunity system and prevents allergies and infection. Fights against many cancer cells, stops tumor formation, reduces the risk of breast, colon and prostate cancer. Fry bitter gourd on low flame till it turns to light brown color. Bitter gourd, rich in minerals like potassium, folate, zinc and iron. Add salt to taste when the bitter gourd pieces completely reduces its moisture. Mix well and fry till it turns light brown color. Bitter gourd has a great healing properties, controls blood flow and blood clotting that helps in quicker healing of wounds and infections, and it improves metabolism, and the antioxidants helps to detoxify the body. Purifies blood, improves blood circulation. Bitter gourd pieces are fried well. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and mix well. Now switch off the flame and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut or desiccated coconut powder. It is optional, but it gives a good taste to the fried bitter gourd pieces. Bitter gourd fry is ready. Serve as a side dish. Try this healthy recipe and please share with your family and friends. For more healthy and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.